Innovation has always been at the heart of Sam Houston State University, shaping our past, defining our present, and driving our future. That spirit is alive every day, where students support one another in reaching their academic goals, building confidence and a momentum with each step forward. As higher education evolves, so do we, meeting change with creativity, bold thinking, and a commitment to empowering every BearKat to succeed. Our legacy of innovation is built on big ideas that make a lasting difference. Programs that transform not only how we educate, but how we care for our students. Here at the Academic Success Center, personalized peer coaching helps students bounce back and move forward. In fact, students who meet with the coach at least 4 times show measurable GPA gains and stronger persistence. It's academic support that transforms confidence and futures. The SAM Center revolutionized academic advising and student retention, setting a standard for personalized support that continues to guide thousands of students on their paths to graduation. The Teaching and Learning Center has become a vibrant space where faculty connect, collaborate, and evolve, fueling excellence in teaching. From day one, the First Generation Center fostered a strong sense of community, one that continues to empower students with the belonging they need to thrive. Together, these centers created a foundation of pride and possibility, a legacy we continue to build on today. Across our campus community, innovation is happening now, in classrooms, labs, and centers dedicated to help impact.
Ideas are turned into action at the Center for Innovation, Technology, and Entrepreneurship. By combining academic insight with industry-driven solutions, students learn to lead in a rapidly changing world. The center is helping businesses and communities thrive through emerging technology.
In the Department of Educational Leadership, we are using artificial intelligence to teach our students how to compete in the workplace by using the tools that are available to them that are already being used outside of the walls of the university.
Our new state-of-the-art Domini Observatory opens new frontiers in STEM learning, inviting students and our community to explore the cosmos and reimagine what's possible. At Sam Houston State, we don't wait for the future. We're shaping it. Rising next to the College of Osteopathic Medicine, the new Health Professions building will further strengthen our presence in healthcare education. Our newest college to launch, Sam Poly, offers online workforce-ready programs aligned with the needs of non-traditional students. At Sam Houston, we are preparing BearKats to lead with confidence and to make a lasting impact.